everyone, my name is Parul. Welcome back to my channel Parul English Lab. Today in this video, I will tell you how to use the conjunction provided that in English language. We will also talk about the different scenarios where we use this conjunction. So please watch this video till the end because it's an advanced conjunction. So it will definitely elevate the level of your English. So please watch it till the end, and if you like my videos, then please like and subscribe to my channel Parul English Lab, and don't forget to press the bell icon for future notifications. Now let's start our today's video. The conjunction provided that means only if. It is used to express a condition that must be met for something else to happen. This means one thing will happen only if the other thing happens. If other thing doesn't happen, then that thing will also not happen. So there is a condition. Now let's look at the different scenarios one by one where we use this conjunction. First scenario is future conditions or everyday agreements. When a future event or action depends strictly on another action being completed. Now let's look at some examples. You can borrow my car this weekend provided that you return it with a full tank of gas. So you can see here in this sentence, you are talking about a future event or action that depends on another action. There is a condition in this sentence. So you will get the car only if you return it with a full tank of gas. So this is a condition. So if you fulfill this condition, then you can borrow the car, otherwise you cannot. We will hold the outdoor concert on Saturday provided that it doesn't rain. So if it rains, then the outdoor concert cannot take place. Otherwise, if it doesn't rain, then it can take place. She agreed to take the job provided that the company offers a flexible work schedule. Sometimes you can use only provided also. The meaning will not change. It is up to you whether you want to use provided that or provided. But one thing you have to keep in mind that whenever you are writing a sentence, then always you have to use provided that. And while talking informally, you can only use provided. The team will complete the project on time provided that all team members meet their deadlines. You may go out with your friends tonight provided that you finish all your homework first. They will buy the house provided that the home inspection goes smoothly. We can go on a road trip next month provided that we save enough money for fuel and hotels. He will pass the exam provided that he studies consistently every day. The discount will apply at checkout provided that you enter the promo code. I will host the dinner party provided that someone else helps me clean up afterward. So this way in all these sentences, we are talking about a future event that depends on another future event. So there is a condition. If one condition is met, then only another thing will happen. If that condition is not met, then the another action can't take place. Next scenario is formal rules, contracts and conditional permission. When we talk about formal rules, contracts or conditional permissions, then again we use provided that. Now let's look at some examples. Employees may work remotely provided that they maintain high productivity levels. The scholarship will be renewed annually provided that the student maintains a 3.5 GPA. You are allowed to use the building facility provided that you submit the reservation form 48 hours in advance. The landlord permits pets in the apartment provided that tenants pay a refundable security deposit. Refunds will be processed within 7 business days provided that the original receipt is attached. Candidates will be invited for an interview provided that they possess the required certifications. Visitors may enter the restricted area provided that they wear visitors' badges at all times. Confidential data may be shared with external partners provided that a non-disclosure agreement is signed. So in all these sentences, we are either talking about formal rules, contracts, or conditional permission. So this way also we use provided that. So I hope now you have understood where we use this conjunction provided that in English grammar. Still, if you have any doubts, you can always ask me in the comment section. So that's all for today. Keep learning, keep practicing, and if you like my content, then please like and subscribe to my channel Parul English Lab, and don't forget to press the bell icon for future notifications. Thank you, take care, have a great day.